Hi everyone, I'm Farheen and welcome to Food Fun and More. Today I have brought a super delicious, tasty and tangy flavored recipe, Tomatorice. This is a bachelor friendly recipe and does not need much ingredients too and would just be ready in no time. Let's start. Heat a pan, add 1/4 cup of oil on medium heat. Once the oil starts to heat, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter or crackle. Then goes in 2-try whole red chillies. I have cut them into halves. Saute for few minutes. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of chana dal. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of urad dal. Saute for few minutes till they turn light brown color. Now in goes finely sliced onions. I have taken here 2 large onions. Saute the onions well till turn translucent. Now add few curry leaves. Mix well. Now dip in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then goes in 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well all the masalas together with the onion. I have grinded 4 tomatoes to a puree. Add this pureed tomatoes to the pan. Saute for few minutes. Wash the mixie with half cup of water and add it to the pan. After you add the tomatoes, stir constantly till they are fully cooked and the oil oozes out. After few seconds, now in goes half a teaspoon of garam masala. Stir well the masalas with the puree for about 1 minute. Now I am adding here chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and cook for few seconds till all the moisture from the tomato evaporates. Finally add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix well. You can see the mixture has become thick. Now we'll close it and cook for few more minutes. Now the masala is cooked very well. Now we'll add the rice. I have already cooked the rice beforehand and completely cooled it. Don't add hot rice to the masala, else the rice will become very mashy. I have used the normal parboiled rice. You can also use basmati rice. Add the cooked rice and mix well slowly just to incorporate the masala with the rice. Close the pan with the lid and simmer for few minutes on a low flame. Our tomato rice is ready to plate in. This is the perfect rice dish to pack into an adult or kid's lunchbox. Just for some crunch, you can have some chips or papad on the side. Enjoy this hot, super spicy and tasty tomato rice. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Before I sign off, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.